So I got my chicken, tomatoes, and onions all sauteed and ready to go. I got some extra jalapenos and onions over here that I did not saute. I'm gonna use them as a topping. I got some salt and pepper for later use when I make the pizza. So I'm gonna wait for my dough to rise and we'll come back. Sprinkle some flour. You can tell my dough here. Sprinkle a little bit of dough so it doesn't stick to your hand. So the dough should look soft like this. So your dough should be nice and soft. When you put your fingers through, it should try to come out. Okay. So I'm gonna make 4 different kind of pizzas. I like to make sometimes just cheese pizza for the kids. And you can add whatever kind of topping you'd like. It doesn't stick to the roller. Since I'm using a pan, you don't want it to be too big. Maybe about an 8-inch pizza. Okay. My pan is nice and heated, so we can get started. Okay, so I got a nice hot pan here. Make sure it's non-stick pan. So I'm gonna drizzle about a tablespoon of oil. I have here olive oil, you can use canola. And I'm gonna put my pizza. So what I do is I put it face down for about 10 seconds until it holds together. So I just flip it over and I put my pizza sauce. You can buy from a store or you can make your own. As my pizza is being cooked, I'm making another dough for my cheese pizza. Okay, well, there you have it. Pan pizza. It takes probably 15 minutes to make it if you have leftover dough. I made here 4 pizzas. There are 2 chickens, one of them with jalapeno and this one just with tomatoes and onions. This one's cheese pizza with mixed cheese and jalapeno and onions. And right here I have just a plain cheese pizza with mozzarella cheese. Well, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you can try this pizza at home. It's nice and easy, and we'll see you next video. Thank you for watching.